Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video I did this makeup look right here. I'm loving these bright colors for the summer, and I actually used the new Anastasia and Alyssa Edwards palette. It's such a good palette, and I also used the new primer as well. So if you want to see how I got this look, then just keep watching. So jumping right into this video, I'm starting off with the Anastasia eye primer. It's the new one. I got this in the PR package with the palette, so I wanted to try it out and see how it works. So I just used a flat brush and patted this all over my eyelids. And as you can see here on my left eye, I actually added a bit too much, so I went back and kind of just dispersed it onto my other eye, just so it was more of a opaque white. And I actually really like this primer. I think it would be really good to like cut your crease with as well. Okay, so now for the fun part, we're going to be using the Alyssa Edwards Anastasia collab palette. And I just took the orange color and I'm putting that into my crease. I was very light-handed with this at first just because I didn't know how it would perform. So I just built up the color very slowly, and as you can see here, I'm really just concentrating that color in my crease and making sure it's blended flawlessly. Okay, next up I took the color Texas Made. It's this really pretty hot pink shade, as you can see, and I just popped that into my crease as well. I didn't really have a look in mind when I sat down and filmed this, so I kind of just like played it by ear kind of thing, but I decided I wanted it to be a pink look, so I popped that into my crease. And I really took my time blending this color out, and I added a lot of color. As I said with the orange, I like to start lighter and then work the color up. Like, I really like to build the color because it's always easy to add rather than adding too much color and then having to try and erase it, if that makes sense. So it's always better to just start light and work your way up. So as you can see by my reaction, I was really excited about this purple color, and I knew that I would probably have to use my finger to apply this just because it is more like a pressed glitter, and that's the only way that you can get a really good color payoff. It was kind of hard just because my nails, but I figured it out. I just took my time and really made sure I packed that color on my lids. So next I went back in with the hot pink shade, and I just buffed the edge of the purple color out just to make sure that both of the colors were blended seamlessly. So next I smoked out my lower lash line with the same hot pink shade. To brighten my eyes a bit, I just popped this iridescent white shade in the corner of my eyes. And I was going back and forth with myself as to whether or not I wanted a wing. I'm sure if you do makeup, you've been here before, but I made the executive decision and decided to go with a wing. So I just used my Makeup Forever winged liner in black, not winged liner, my Makeup Forever eyeliner in black. So to finish this eye look off, I popped in the Marc Jacobs black liner into my waterline, and then put on my false eyelashes, and then did my mascara. I always use the L'Oreal Telescopic mascara, And these lashes are from Natalie Nunn. I think they're in the style Barbados. And last but not least, we have to do lips. So I used the Morphe Sugar Pie lip liner, and then I went in with the NYX lip lingerie in the color Baby Doll, and then I topped that off with the Morphe gloss in Boho. So that completes today's makeup look. I hope you guys enjoyed it. As always, if you're not subscribed, make sure you do so and click on the bell icon so you're notified every time I upload a new video.